Hi everyone, welcome to Kwixand Solutions demo video for Dynamics 365 Business Central. Today we are going to review how to reverse a journal entry. So to be able to show you how to correct a journal entry, we need to post an incorrect one. So I'm going to go into Finance. I'm going to select my general journal. I'll select Default. And I'm going to make sure this is okay, July 1st, and we're going to go post into interest on bank loans. We'll just put bank charges here, and it's not taxable, so let's do $100 and bank, and we'll put it into our checking account. So the error here for me would be that it's July 1st and it should be June 30th. So we'll post this. And then we're going to go in and we're going to correct it. And to be able to correct it, we're going to go search for page, put in general ledger. We're going to select our general ledger entries archive. And you can see right at the top here, this is my incorrect entry. So I'm going to select the ellipsis and reverse transaction. From here I can see that here's my entries on July 31st. I'm going to reverse this. To reverse these entries, correcting entries will be posted. Do you want to reverse the entries? Yes, we do. Okay. Now let's just back out of here and we'll come back in into the archive, and you can see here the entry was reversed in and out. Now if you are posting things from a journal, you can go into your chart of accounts, and I do have a entry in here that needs to be removed. So I posted $45 into interest on bank balances. I'm going to go into this entry. Again, I'll select the ellipsis, reverse transaction. Do I want to reverse these entries? Yes, I do. Okay, and you can see in and out. Those entries have been reversed. Thank you for joining me. If you'd like to learn more, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or you can visit us at kwixand.com.